What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another DS18 unboxing video. I'm Mr. DS18, and today we're going to talk about the EXL 6.5 CX component set. Now, this component set is designed for sound quality. Let's open this box to see what we got inside. DS18 manual. We got this piece, and we got ourselves 6.5 inch woofer. Let's close this up. So, what do we got? We got a metal mesh grill to protect the speaker. We got a 6.5 inch woofer. This is paper cone. There's an aluminum bullet in the middle. Check out the DS18 stamped basket. The motor. It's real nice, real nice. Then we got the 1-inch dome tweeter. Now this dome tweeter is sitting on a flush mount bracket, which is pretty cool. But it also includes this angle mount bracket. So if you want to change the angle you want to put on top of the dash, you can. It's easy. We also have the two-way crossover designed in black. This crossover is designed to be cut off at 3 kilohertz. So this whole component set can handle at least 150 watts RMS on one side, 150 watts RMS on the second side. So a 2-channel amp will be perfect for this component. Now remember, if you guys don't want to use an amp and you just want to run off your radio, you're more than welcome. But adding an amp is always a plus. You'll get the best sound quality out of that one. So thank you guys for tuning in to another unboxing video. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.